In this video, I will show you how to follow someone in Goodreads. So first of all, open up your app, and from here navigate to the More tab all the way at the bottom right, and from here click on Add Friends. And once you click on Add Friends, you will be able to follow someone in Goodreads by just entering their username. You can also search for your contacts when you click on Contacts in here, and then you can check for people that are using Goodreads, and then you can easily add them. You can also invite people via email or message, but let's say you want to follow someone where you know the name of, then you're going to enter that name. So let's enter something and then click on search. And after you have filled in the username, you will see all the persons that are using Goodreads with that name. And if you want to follow someone and add someone, you're just going to click on add, and then you will see that it is pending. And if this person will accept your request, then this person will become your friend. But right now you are already following this person. So when you click on back and then click on the More tab again, then click on My Profile, you will see that you are following this person. So let's go ahead and click on Following, and then we can see that this person is popping up in here. So that is how you follow someone in Goodreads. I hope this video helps you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.